Hey everyone, it's Lisa from Epic Yarn Gems. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some patterns that I've worked on in the last year. If you're looking for hats or beanies, these were some pretty fun patterns and I really did enjoy making them, so I wanted to share them with you. And the first hat that I'm going to show you is the Bobble Beanie by Hooked on Homemade Happiness. I will also be putting links to all of these patterns down in the description, so if you're looking for that, take a look there and you should be able to link right to them. The next hat is the Diagonal Raised Beanie by Dana Marie Marino. This was a pretty fun hat to make as well. It did take me a couple times. As you can see, everything needs to line up. And then I added a really fun palm to it. And it was a really cute hat. It was a little on the small side though. The next one is the Wanderlust Beanie by Kirsten Holloway Designs, and this was I actually made this for a man, and it was a pretty good size. I used front post double crochets and back post double crochets. I alternated the colors on this one, and it really made it pop with that red. The next one I'm going to show you I made in a pretty fun fuchsia, and this was called the Alpaca Squishy Palm Beanie by Mama in a Stitch. This one had great texture and I added a fun little pink palm to it. It did turn out really cute and I really enjoyed making it. And the final one that I'm going to show you is the Vertigo Beanie by Hooked on Homemade Happiness. Um, I used like a variegated yarn on this. It doesn't really show the pattern all that well, so I would suggest that you use either a single color or something with not so much pattern in it. All of these beanies are actually beginner to intermediate, more maybe intermediate beginner. So if you're looking for a beanie to make, here are some suggestions and some that I've made in the past. And the ones I'm sharing with you are the ones that I really enjoyed. So I hope that you have found this informational. And if you have any questions or if there are other patterns that you would like for me to try and show you how they turn out, I'd be more than happy to do that. You can put that down in the comments. And as always, 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 peace, love, and happiness to you all. Take care.